So children, now today we are starting the last topic of animal tissue, that is nervous tissue. It is a very small topic and simple also, because you are keep doing it since class 8th, in 8th also, 9th also, and 10th also, and now in 11th also you are doing the nervous tissue. Nervous tissue, for this again, otherwise it is very simple, but I have converted it into the notes form only. That nervous tissue forms the nervous system of the body, and neurons are the unit of the nervous system. Function of the nervous system, nervous tissue and neuron is to control all the functions of the body. It receives the stimuluses, and all the responses against those stimuluses are performed, or the responses are being performed by the or arised from the nervous tissue due to the nervous system only. Excitability is the characteristics of nervous tissue. You know, the nerve cells, they get excited, they transmit the nerve impulses, but in between the nerve cells or amongst the nervous cells, some non-nervous tissue is also, non-nervous cells are also there, which are called as neuroglia. And this neuroglia, it makes the more than the half volume of the nervous tissue of our body, and it supports the neuron and it protects the neurons also. The neuroglia is shown in the picture. That is the real picture of the neuron. Neurons get joined end to end by the synapses, which you have already done in the 10th class, and when they join together, they forms the nerves, because nerves are the long thread like structure. The single neuron cannot make the nerve, so nerves are formed by the joining of various neurons which each other. Brain and spinal cord are the part of the nervous system, and stimuluses are carried by the nerves in the form of electrical impulses. Parts of the neuron, which you have already done in the 10th class also, the cell body, dendrons and axons are the part of the neurons. Cell body is the main part of the neuron, which consists of neuroplasm, that is cytoplasm, and nucleus. And then it comes the small processes of the cell body, which are called as dendrons. One long process is there, which is called as axon. Axon is covered by this protein sheath, which is a myelin sheath. And if myelin sheath is there, then the fibers are called as myelinated nerve fibers. If myelin sheath is not there, then non-myelinated nerve fibers. These points where myelin sheath is not there, they are called as nodes of Ranvier. Then this axons further divides to form nerve endings, and these are the synaptic knobs through which the synapses takes place. And nerve impulse is received by the dendrons, then it transferred to the cyton, and then to the axon, then to the axon endings, and then it is transferred in the form of electrical impulse to the next neuron. That way, this is the simple structure of the neuron, and these all tissues will again come when their system will come. Like in nervous system, again we will discuss about the nervous tissue. Thank you. And on Monday, we will do the structure of anatomy of earthworm.